What's up, guys? Today we're taking a look at an M-Audio BX5a monitor. Despite research, everybody was complaining about buzzing. Mine, I was getting like a slight crackle, like almost a clipping or distortion sound, like you're pushing the speaker too far. I was coming out the tweeter and the woofer, and I ended up using this monitor here and diagnosing, making sure that the tweeter was 4 ohm and the driver down there is 4 ohm. All of that checked out, hooked it up to another system, and I did away with this amplifier section here and just ran the tweeter and the woofer, and it didn't do it. So it led me to believe that it's something else on the board. Now, on other videos, they talk about these caps here, and over here you can clearly see I got the old ones removed. Well, these caps here usually bulge up and they spew shit. Mine, as you can see, they're not bulged. There's no cracks. The other one, no cracks, no nothing. I mean, the bottom one, this one is good too, but I still had it, so I thought, well, why not go ahead for 12 bucks, buy 4 of them, put them in and see what happens. And it turns out that my caps were going bad. And if you guys are experiencing crackling, buzzing, whatever it is, it's probably these filter caps. And the values of them are 6800 microfarad, 25 volt, and then 40 minus 40 to 105 Celsius. That's the temperature rating, so you want to get that. I read some comments where there's other ones, they're putting 35 volts in, and try and go with the 25 volts. It's designed for that, and it might not work right for you.